Hey everyone, it's Matt with Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews. We're here on Enchantment of the Seas, which is a Vision class ship, the most unique Vision class ship. We're here to do our stern to bow series, where we find out how long it takes for us to get from the stern, the rear of the ship, all the way up to the bow, the front. We'll point out some sights along the way, what you can find on this ship, and also point out what makes this ship pretty unique. So let's check it out. All right, here we are, very back of the Enchantment of the Seas. We're here actually in Costa Maya. You can see the very long pier. Hot in the sun, but it's a beautiful day out here to do a walk here along the top deck. Got some background noise from the rock climbing wall, so hopefully that won't interfere with the video too much. I've got my trusty iPhone timer here, so let's get going. And we're off. As I said, we've got the rock climbing wall. This is the observation area if you want to watch someone take a climb. Sea is absolutely gorgeous today out there. I have a shuffleboard court right here. This was open yesterday, so they must have done some maintenance on it this morning or last night. Lots of upper deck seating on this ship. So you'll find plenty of that. Here we're going to join in with the walking track. It's a 1/4 mile long, 4 laps to a mile. Right over there, if you see the lines on the floor, they have a mini pickleball court. They just squeezed that in there, so it's probably about half the width of a normal pickleball court, I would say. Inside these windows is the solarium, fully covered, adults only, has a pool, 2 hot tubs, and a bar. These stairs right here will take you up to the Viking Crown Lounge, but more explicitly right to the Crown Lounge and the Concierge Lounge, they call it on this ship, not the Suite Lounge. They haven't renamed it yet. It's in a unique location. I've never seen the locations they have for them on any other ship, especially a Vision class ship. Now we're heading to the middle, where we're going to get to the main pool deck area, and we'll also see what's so unique about this ship. We'll take the inner track here, see if we can get to some sights of the pool. This first pool here is closed. That's one difference about this ship and other Vision class ships. It actually has 2 main pools. Most Vision class, or all the Vision class ships besides this one, have 1. So you got hot tubs along each pool, 2 with this one, 2 in the other one. So now we're on this unique part of the walking path with these, I don't know what to call them, but see, they got it on each side there. So what makes this ship unique? Well, I forget what year, but they actually cut this ship in half and added a section in the middle, welded it back all up together, and it's been good ever since. It was done ages ago. Way over there, you've got a big giant bar called the Oasis Bar. That was added in. This whole middle section where you saw those white metal structures, that was added into the ship. Over there is the second main pool. You've got a kiddie splash pad for the really young kids. Giant video screen. Pool bar down underneath. In this section here, that's where you'll find Adventure Ocean, the teen area, and also a video arcade. Getting some wind out here today, so hopefully it won't bother the audio too much. So now we are getting towards the front of the ship. Now, while this ship was extended, it is longer than other Vision class ships, so it should take us longer to finish, or shorter to finish this. We don't have to change any levels or go up and down any stairs. Here's another area. They used to have jump pads up here. It wasn't, you know, the sky pad like you had on other ships with the big yellow globe, but they used to have jump pads up there, but they got rid of them. I'm guessing they got rid of them at the same time they got rid of them off the sky pad. And we are coming up to the front here. And stop. there we are, 3 minutes, 56.94 seconds. We'll just call that 3:57. A view out the front of the ship. No helipad on these ships. All right, there you go. 3 minutes and 57 seconds. That's how long it takes us to get from the stern, the rear, to the bow, the front of the ship here on Enchantment of the Seas on deck 10. I am gonna go ahead and bet this time was a little bit longer because of that extension in the ship than other Vision class ships we have done this on. Let us know what you think about Enchantment of the Seas. Have you been on her? Do you enjoy her? Is she better because of that extension than the other Vision class ships? There are other features inside that you don't have on Vision class ships either. Make sure you check out our full tour video for that. But if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button, and also check out the rest of the Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews channel. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future cruising content. This is Matt from Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews. Happy cruising, everybody.